And we are back in Trieste. Wow, that amazing city here. Let's deep dive today. Around 4 or 5 hours here. Let's see what happens here. So cool, that city. It's magic. And look how amazing that is. It's not Venice, it's Trieste here. With Amy together. And food festival there. So many people here. And look how amazing that city is. Let's have some food at Artigiana Pizzeria Bianco. They just offered us 2 Prosecco. It's because you. Look how amazing that is here. So we have some scagliatelli allo scoglio e pistacchio, 22 euros, and Amy has baccari al ragù di mare, and a starter we have, what do we have? Insalata di polpo. Let's give it a try. Trieste, I love that city. Insalata di polpo looks good. Aperol spritz, Amy Grodino and water. Yeah, it's good. What do you say? It's good? Perfect. Thumbs up. Did you saw that? Thumbs up. Yes. What is this, Amy? Yes, you need to talk. Baccari alla marinara. Al ragù, yes. Scagliatelli. Look how amazing that plate looks like. Plate is empty. It was amazing. How was yours? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Trieste, Bianco. That's the place to be, really. Amazing place here. That's cool. And here is the bill. Ristorante Pizzeria Bianco, amazing. 84 euros here. It's good. 2 persons. Amazing. Over there. And look how here Trieste is, like always, amazing. That's the shopping street here. Just go there and can shop everything here. And do you remember this guy from the last video? Yes, Gabriele D'Annunzio. This guy. Let me have another picture with this guy. Gabriele, ciao. How are you? And welcome to Piazza Stratti at Trieste. Wow. This is just wow. It's incredible here. Look what kind of beauty that Piazza Stratti is. Oh, mamma mia. Look at that. And this is the old town of Trieste that you can just visit. Look how amazing that looks like. You can have gelato here, pizza, all kind of food, and everything is just delicious. So nice here. Just amazing. And there is again Van Gogh. Yeah, nice to see. Oh yes. Look, Amy is doing the same. So cool. And this is Trieste. Just history and, can we say beautifulness? Is this the correct word in English? I don't know. Just, yeah, Italy. And you know that when I'm seeing Italy somewhere, it's just the place to go. Everywhere in Italy, New York as well, if you're looking at that one. Seeing Germany as well, and Switzerland, unfortunately not, but let's dive in there. Look how amazing that is. Here in Trieste is one of the beautifulest, nicest Italy in worldwide. Downstairs, wine section. Only wines. If somebody loves wine, that's the place to be here in Trieste. And if you are from Friuli, Venezia Giulia, a big selection of wine and Prosecco. And this is one really of the most beautiful Italy where you can eat, buy, and just enjoy the food of Italy. And I mean, if you are here in Trieste and you come here to Italy and just have one of those seats here and look how amazing that view is on the Porto di Trieste here. It's just, I don't know. I don't have words. Sitting here, having a nice dinner or lunch. Amazing. I mean, if you like fresh, cosa fai tu?
Do you want to taste?
You want to taste? What is this? Panettone?
Colomba.
Colomba? Oh my God, Colomba. What's your name?
Alessio.
Let's try this
Your
Colomba.
name?
Daniele.
Daniele. Italiano.
Italiano, sì. Cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Fresh bread, pizza. And they have as well safe-made pasta and Colombo and everything here behind. Just wow. And food and food and food everywhere. Just the best selection of Italian food, you can find it here. Just about food, oil, that section, cheese on that side. And of course here we have prosciutto di Parma and San Daniele and cheese. Just, what you're laughing? Easter eggs. Oh yes. Oh, it's cheese, yeah. Easter cheese, not eggs. Wow. So this is not a Kinder. I'm not advertising this here. This is in caciocavallo uovo. This is an Easter present for parents. Look, caciocavallo di uovo. Wow, very good idea. And this is the upper level here of Italy. Just amazing. Right at the port here, the haven. Wow. And this is Italy, an amazing store, just here in Trieste, one of the nicest, beautifulest places in the world. Costa Amalfitana as well is amazing, but Trieste as well. And with this Italy here, wow. It's just about food and love. Italy. Via delle Beccherie Vecchie. Look at that amazing building here. Wow. Look at that, they find something and they're very carefully discovering everything here. Wow. Just historical. So nice.
Tu veux go?
Yeah, we can go up. And if you like to do some hiking here in Trieste, yes, going up here. Giardino San Michele, just amazing. Colle di San Giusto, Hill of San Giusto. Look how beautiful that is here. Wow. How amazing that church is. Wow. Look at that. Oh God, just amazing. I mean, look at that floor. These are all mosaics. Just amazing. Just history. Trieste ai caduti nella guerra della liberazione. Wow. Look at that amazing view. Oh my God. So nice here. Look at that amazing tree here. Wow. And the sun watch there. I don't know if you say that like this in English. Wow. We are not having a pizza like in Naples. We're having a gelato. Gelato Marco in Trieste, number 63. Wow. Let's try that gelato out here. Cioccolato and mango. Amazing. Mamma mia. Gelato Marco. Very good. How is yours? Cioccolato e limone, thumbs up. Yes, it's good. And panna. Wow. Do you know that Illy Cafe is from Trieste? This is amazing. Really? I didn't know that. Now I know it. Look how nice that is. Antica caffetteria di Trieste. So cool. Espresso. Mamma mia. Amazing. Yes. Sorry about the light, but the chandelier. Wow. That city with that espresso is amazing. Always, when you are here around the region in Friuli, visit please Trieste. It's just a city to love and to enjoy. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Ending here the vlog. Ciao, ciao.